Hey y'all, welcome. So listen, it's your favorite fat girl and we are tuning in with some DonmilyHair. So if you want to see the install, stay tuned. Hello all my beautiful queens and welcome to another video. Listen, if you are new, welcome. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. So listen, we are back for another video and we are doing a wig review. We are back with our girl, the slaying stylist, Miss Renedra Gatlin. We are at the Rare Touch Hair Palace and we are doing a collaboration, and this video is brought to you in collaboration with DonmilyHair. DonmilyHair sent us a 13x4 lace frontal. It's 150% density. It's a jerry curl unit, and this unit is supposed to have pre-bleached knots and pre-plucked hairline. However, we did bleach the knots and pluck the hairline. But let me just show you their little goodies, because you know they be wanting me to show these little gifts, girl. But you know I don't want gifts, I prefer coin, but that's okay, we're gonna move past that. So they sent us wig cap, they sent us some clips, a scarf, and some lashes. I don't know who's gonna wear these lashes, but we digress. Okay, so here is the unit. It came packed in a plastic bag. I didn't notice any funny smells. Y'all know I hate that machine smell. This lace is a little bit rougher, but the unit is still just as gorgeous. So we have two adjustable straps like so. We have our combs here, two here, and then in the back. And again, like I told you guys before, my head is 25 inches in diameter. I got the large cap wig this time, so I'm pretty sure it's going to fit. But stay tuned for the install. I'll see you in a minute.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cat, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cat, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart.
Okay, y'all, thank you so much for watching and staying tuned all the way to the end. So as you can see, this is our final look of our 24-inch 13x4 lace frontal. This is the jerry curl, kind of similar to a wet and wavy type style. I really like it. We only had one issue. So as you guys know, I have a very minimal forehead because of my widow's peak. So I don't typically do middle parts. So this wig is very much so small on the parting space to the side, but as you come in to the perimeter of the front, it gets a lot larger. So if you're wanting to do just straight back with a slick look with no parting space or a middle part, then this unit would be perfect for you. So definitely check it out. I didn't have any complaints. Oh, the other thing was about the tabs on the edges. Okay, my stylist said it was just a little bit short on both sides, but as you guys know, I don't do a lot of heavy manipulation. Once my hair is set, I keep that same look. But if you're the type of person that likes to wear it up or wear it pulled back, then you might want to be considerate or cognizant of that. But other than that, we love it. Say hey, Renedra. Hi. Okay, you guys, you know what to do. So get down below in the description box for all of your details. Also make sure that you leave it below down in the comments. If we like it, put your hearts up. Thank you so much to DonmilyHair for collaborating and sponsor this video. I do appreciate it. So remember, beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? Hello. I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.